waiting list. They will list them by their name, how many years they have this problem, when they of such organ donation, then the highest person in that list is contacted. 4 transplants in 2 cases, like 2 people have donated, 4 families have received the gift of life. No, the list is maintained by Goa government. Health is a state subject. It is maintained by a special organization of Goa government called SOTO, State Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization. The surgery is done by various hospitals. In Goa, Manipal Hospital, Healthcare Hospital and Goa Medical College. 3 centers are doing transplant. So patient has to be registered in one of these 3 hospitals. British ruled and the French ruled. So wherever the British have ruled, there is a next of kin is owner of the body rule. And wherever the French, for example, if a death happens in France or Spain or their colonies, no question is asked to the family, they can take organs directly. Okay, but in England, India and all the other Commonwealth countries, the laws are different and we have to ask the family. To tell you a matter of fact, even in Spain, they don't take without asking the family. Family's consent is a must. Okay. And family will consent only if the person in his lifetime had made a will that he wants to donate. Or if there is no known will and the family wants to donate, then their wish overrides everything else. Okay, but if their wish is that they don't want to donate, then again their wish overrides everything else. Even if the person wanted to donate and the family says no, then it's a no. Nobody can force the issue.
Me with this concept. I said it is very important, since we have a new council, that he has this interaction with all of us so that we are able to get ourselves educated and make ourselves aware about what is the process and how it is to be done. We know today about organ donation. It is common all over the world. There is a lot of there is a big market for organs, and we all know about the other side of it as well. But this is an organization that helps you understand and helps you go through the right channels to ensure that everybody has consented to the organ donation. And it is our job as elected representatives to see what best we can do and how we can spread the message in our communities on a micro level. Me speaking on a big stage and with a big audience, it becomes difficult. But when each and every councillor can spread this message on his or her local level, it gives people an insight. Sometimes there are a lot of people that are in need of an organ at very early ages. There are children sometimes at age 15 who have lost a kidney. I have an employee in my organization who recently lost a kidney. Maybe because it was something he had during his birth. But at age 22 to have one of your kidneys removed is something of concern. But through these kind of organizations and initiatives, we can make the public and people more aware of the facilities available today, and most importantly, awareness and spreading the message through the right channel. So I would like to thank all of you all for coming for this. I really wished all the other councillors had come too, but I'm glad that the youngsters are here and we can spread this message across to our people in our wards, and so that the people of Mapsa are aware. Gabriel is very, very active in this field, and I think if at all anybody requires any assistance, he is always there. He has always been in touch, and he is always for something different. So this is a matter of being able to reach out to people and about saving lives. So through this process, we can reach out to many people in the future. So I would like to all of you all to take this information back home, reflect on it, and see what best we can do to spread this message across, and try to see how many people we can get on board. Thank you.
The power of organ donation The power of organ donation is definitely underrated. It does not merely affect the donor and the recipient. In fact, it impacts the families and friends as well. It is an extremely important for those who are in need of an organ transplant so they can benefit from it. Further, it renews their life and enhances their health once their transplant is done. In fact, it is a very nice feeling to experience how organ donation impacts the lives of individuals. For example, a woman who died in a severe car accident who came as a shock, which came as a shock for a whole family. Devastated initially, the family did not understand what to make of the tragic death of the woman. It recently happened to a very, very dear friend of mine, Sonia Marias. So I must have heard this case, and how they went out of their way to donate the organs of their mother. And the very touching thing that she said to me was, I can see my mother living in so many other souls. So then the hospital offered them the chance to donate her organs and tissues for the purpose of transplantation. At first, they were not ready to part with any part of the person, but soon they realized that nothing will lessen the pain of losing her. So they decided to donate her organs. They received great comfort in knowing that some good is coming out of such a bad tragedy. Organ donation is a life-giving opportunity for those who are at the end of the line for hope. It carries the power to enhance the lives of people and change them forever. As the need for organ donors is growing by the day, it has become absolutely necessary to increase the awareness about organ donation. There are a lot of misconceptions regarding this subject, and we must do our best to clear them. Thank you, Gabriel, for bringing us to this platform and giving us an opportunity to speak. And that was a very wonderful lecture, Dr. Amol, to all of us.
कॉन्सेप्ट दवरलेलो आसा तुमी पळयता की खरोच युनियन सारको म्हणजे घेण्यासारको कार्यक्रम आसा दोतोरान आज सांगलें कशें ऑर्गनायज म्हणजे तो डोनेट करप पार्ट्स आनी कसो तेजो आमी फायदो घेवपाक जाय आनी कशा रितीन करप म्हणजे आमी म्हणटा की आमच्या हिंदू धर्मान अंतिम संस्कार करप हेच योग्य पूण आयज जेन्ना दोतोरान सांगलें तेन्ना कळटा की खरेंच आमच्या पार्ट्साची कितली गरज आसा आनी त्या हेतूंतल्यान आमी कोणाचो तरी जीव वाचोवपाक पळयता सगळ्यांत व्हडली गजाल ही जिवाची आनी हे तें व्हडलें काम जेन्ना आज डॉक्टराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां जर मेळटा जाल्यार हेच्याकून व्हडली गजाल आनी ना आनी गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान जेन्ना ही सुरवात केल्या ती खूब आनी बरी आसा कारण थोड्यो गजाली कश्यो आसता आमकां कळना की एक्सिडेंटान जावन इतर हितून अचानक जेन्ना मरण येता तेन्ना आमकां मनीस जाय आनी ह्या मनशा खातीर आमी कितें करूं शकता हें आमकां कळना जेन्ना आज आमकां मोहन फावंडेशनान हो बरे पैकी आनी बाब पेरेरो तो 4 दिसां पयलीं म्हाजे कडेन म्हणपाक लागलो की आमी हो ऑर्गनायज कार्यक्रम करुया म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें कारण बरें व्हडलें काम हें तशेंच आज सोफिया आनी डॉक्टर आमचे मालदार तेंच्यांनी बऱ्या पैकी हांगा आमकां बऱ्या पैकी आपले विचार मांडले तेंचे सगळ्यांचे हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तशेंच आमचे आमदार हेंच्यांनी बऱ्या पैकी आपले विचार मांडलेले आसा तशेंच आज म्हाजे समोर एक रमेश म्हणून भुरगो आसा ते काल जेन्ना हे ऑर्गनायजाचो कार्यक्रम करपाक येयल्ले सांगपाक येयले तेन्ना ते म्हणलें मॅडम आपल्याक कितें हेल्प करूंक जाय जाल्यार आपूण करता आनी तोय सुद्दां बरो हेल्प करपी मनीस कारण कोविडाचेर 2-3 म्हयने किंवा अशें सगळेभर गोंयभर तो हेल्प करपाक भोंवता तेजी स्वताची एम्बुलन्स आसा आज तेणेन आमकां रिप्लेसमेंट तेणी दिल्लें आसा सो त्या भुरग्याक हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आज शुटींग काडटा तुमच्या समोर आसा ही गजाल पत्रकाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सगळ्या गोंयभर पावची ही जाणीव आसा गजाल खबर आसा लोकांक तरी आसतना सगळी कडेन पावची आनी जीव वाचोवपाचो जो हो कार्यक्रम आज हातून घेतला ते सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
Mohan Foundation and IMA Goa. I would like to thank our special invitee for the day, Mr. Joshua, for accepting the invitation and taking time from his busy schedule and attending the program. Thank you, sir. Dr. Sophia, the president of IMA Bades, and the guest of honor, thank you very much for your presence. The person who is always there by my side, always very supportive, Dr. Amol. Thank you very much, Doctor. And not for, mostly, most of all, Shubhangi Madam. Without her, the Vice Chairperson, and the support of the councillors and the staff, this event would not be possible. Not forgetting the press for your attendance too. There is one person I was coordinating the entire program with, Mr. Premanand. I would like to sincerely thank him for being always on call when I was needed his help. I would also like to thank the compere for the day, my dear friend Mr. Lloyd Faria, Guru Events from Duler, who have given us the sound and the projector, and not forgetting Mr. Ramesh. Last moment yesterday, how ma'am has said, we just met. It was just out of the blue, and he volunteered to, to give us the refreshments. It was like very noble of him. Thank you. I would request any of your councillors, if you want to have any awareness program in the community, in the small event complexes, can always get in touch with me. I come with my team, even if doctor is free, we'll come and create. Thank you.
Okay.